What's up everyone? Today I have the LEGO Animal Crossing Maple's Pumpkin Garden set. The set number is 30662. It's a 6+ set with only 29 pieces. It is an official Nintendo licensed product. Let's get right into the build. This is a gift with purchase from lego.com, but you might be able to find it at other various retailers like Walmart and Toys R Us depending on your region. I will not be using the instructions for this as usual, and I'll build it live right here. With only 29 pieces, it should be a simple enough build. So here are lots of interesting parts included in the set. I'll actually leave the figure for last this time. So we're building this thing. I'm wondering if this is going to be a container of some sort. We could have just used 2 of this piece. This actually goes above, just to fit polybag completely. Alright, we're done with the main build. Here is Maple. A watering can. Very, very cute figure. Giant face as compared to a random LEGO minifigure that I have here. It's not even close. This is not included in the set, by the way. So you see it's a very big face. The printing here is nice. I don't know if it's exclusive to this set or not, but it is nice. Yeah, very simple. Print quality is good, including here towards the top. And the legs do not bend, unfortunately. It's the shortest possible legs. So yeah, that's it. That's all there is to it for this set. There's some extra pieces here. LEGO included extra of these small pieces in all cases. It's a really nice gift with purchase. Not what you see is what you can get, so not a lot to say about this. It's an entry-level set. And if you like this set, I guess you'll like the much larger sets, and if you're interested in those, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss whenever I upload a video about those sets. Okay, I realize this is probably not used for storage because this is pretty hard to take off. Otherwise I would put the extra pieces in there, but I'll do that later. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!